Okay, first log in your own account, then you open an invoice. Let's say for example, your customer want to do the partial payment for 12 ringgit. So hold on this pay button, then it will turn into the partial payment. Then click in 12. So if the customer pay by cash, then select cash. If other payment method, then you choose others. After that, just click cash in. So as you can see that this bill already paid the cash for 12 ringgit and there's an amount due for 12 ringgit. After that, just click partial payment. Then this 12 ringgit it will consider as your partial payment or as deposit. Furthermore, you also can click on the transaction, select on all unpaid and check on your amount due, which is the 12 ringgit. You also can click function to generate the invoice. And you stated that you have paid the 12 ringgit of the cash. In addition, if you go to the report, in the X reading, it also will shows there's an unpaid sales for 12 ringgit and the partially paid sales, which is 12 ringgit. If you want to clear that bill, click on transaction, select on the all unpaid, and just click pay as usual. Then just click check out. So in the receipt, it will shows this bill is paid by Boost, for example. If you go to the home setting and the previous receipt, it shows that this bill has paid cash for 12 ringgit and pay by Boost for 12 ringgit. You also can click reprint to reprint the receipt or generate the invoice. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, chào Genius POS, chào A Seng lah.
Cari POS system, cari A Seng.
Find Genius POS, find A Seng.
A Seng.
Chào POS system, chào A Seng.